Mastering smooth transitions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English communication: smooth transitions. Understanding and using smooth transitions can significantly enhance your fluency and coherence, whether in writing or speaking. So, let's break down what they are and how you can master them. Smooth transitions refer to the seamless flow from one idea, sentence, or paragraph to another. They're like bridges that connect different parts of your communication, making your ideas clearer and easier for your audience to follow. In English, these can be achieved through various means, including transition words like however, therefore, meanwhile, phrases, or even non-verbal cues in spoken language. Temporal transitions. Temporal transitions organize your ideas in time. Using words like first, next, then, and finally helps listeners or readers understand the order of events or steps in a process. Contrastive transitions. These transitions highlight differences or contrasts between ideas. Phrases like, on the other hand, in contrast, and, nevertheless, fall into this category, helping to introduce an opposing viewpoint or counter-argument. Additive transitions. Additive transitions are used to add information or ideas. Words such as furthermore, in addition, and also can make your argument more persuasive by adding supporting details. Cause and effect transitions. To show the relationship between cause and effect, you can use transitions like because, therefore, as a result, and thus. These are particularly useful in explanatory or argumentative contexts. 1. Understand the relationship between your ideas. Before you can link them smoothly, you must understand how they connect. Are you adding information, showing a contrast, or explaining a cause and effect? 2. Practice using transition words and phrases. Familiarize yourself with a variety of transition words and phrases. Practice incorporating them into your writing and speaking. 3. Read and listen actively. Pay attention to how others use transitions in English. Reading books and articles, as well as listening to speeches and conversations, can provide you with models to emulate. 4. Revise your work. After writing or preparing a speech, go back and see where transitions could make your ideas flow better. Adding, removing, or changing transitions can significantly improve coherence. That's all for today on mastering smooth transitions in English. We hope this video helps you make your English communication more fluid and understandable. Remember, like any other skill, it takes practice and attention to detail to master smooth transitions. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to experiment with different types of transitions to see what works best for your style. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.